What's this? He needs help. What did I do? I know. Stand back. Stick to somebody your own size. Yippee!